Good afternoon, Dechen, and thank you so much for joining us to the Regional Emergency Operating Center workshop. Can you share with us a little bit about where Bhutan is standing with respect to developing their EOC?
In terms of emergency operation centers, Bhutan, the concept of the importance of emergency operation center has been floating around for quite a bit of a time. Right now, no formal emergency operation centers have been set up, not even at the national level. So there's always this kind of an ad hoc arrangement of kind of a virtual emergency operation depending on the need of the situation. But now I think the importance is being more recognized, and through a support from the GFDRR, the World Bank will be supporting the National Emergency Operation Center, the establishment of the building as well as equipping it.
So I'm wondering, again, as a TTL, how do you see this workshop, how useful it is, you think, to Bhutan, the participants that joined us this week?
I think it's been really good. I'm glad that we have participants from the district level for this particular workshop, because now it's also become a priority for the government for this 5-year plan to establish disaster emergency operation centers at the district level.
What do you think are the main takeaways that the participants took from this workshop? If you had to choose one or two, what do you think they would be?
Firstly, the exposure has been very important in terms of hearing from the experts, and then secondly, having the interaction with participants from different countries, understanding where they stand, what do they have, how did they come through the process of where they are right now. So I think all this has been a very good learning experience.
Yeah, and I think that we actually saw it during the week, how the different delegations exchange more knowledge with one another and best practice. All right, thank you so much again for joining us this week and for the time for this conversation, and looking forward for the rest of the workshop.
Thank you for having us.